at work early in the morning and rain falling. Look at that. Yes, it's going to be a beautiful Saturday morning. I love it when the rain falls. Look at that. Yes, my kids home sleeping, but I'm at work. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, good morning. So I just reached home from work and baby Felix is up, and I decide I'm going to make him a little fruit bowl. So I have some blueberries here, and I have some blackberries here, and I have some grape here, and I have a yogurt. Felix loves this yogurt, the frozen yogurt. We have strawberry and banana inside it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add it to this bowl with the fruit. So this is how it looks with the yogurt, the blueberry, the blackberry, and the grape. Delicious.
Well, I love being on an airplane because I love going to new places. Airplanes get you in pretty fast. Hey, have you ever been to the very best part of an airplane? Yeah, the cockpit. That's where the pilot sits. Oh, wait, I think I can see it from here.
It tastes good.
Yeah, you like it? Eat up. So bye guys.
Like guys. Make sure to subscribe.
Morning, good morning, good morning. What's up guys? Welcome to another video of Shakima at home, and today I'm going to unbox my garbage bin. Yes, I see my friend buy this garbage bin and I love it. I fall in love with the garbage bin, and a matter of fact, each time she come by my house, she always complaining and telling me if scandal bag just hang on what you call it, cabinet you call it, whatever you call it. So anyway, I see she order this garbage bin and I fall in love with it. I get it since Tuesday, but I decide, you know what, let me do a unveiling video or whatever you call it. So I went to Safe Cargo and I pick it up. She ordered it for me and I went to Safe Cargo and I pick it up, and now I'm going to unbox it. Okay guys, so this is it. I don't know, it comes in this big box. So let me see if anything else inside it. Nothing else in it. So this is it, and yeah, let me pull the plastic. Okay guys, so this is how it looks, and I love it. You just go like this, and it just open up and it take its time and it closed back by itself. Yes, I love it, and it's big enough for me. So this is how it look. I love it so much. And yeah, listen guys, there's nothing wrong and wanting something that your friend or your family member have. There's nothing wrong with that. When I used to grow up, they used to say, oh, if you have a friend and the friend want the same thing as you, that is bad mind, or that is covetousness, or you know, old people back in the days, they always say all those type of stupidness. But becoming a woman and growing up, I realized that is nonsense they were talking. There's nothing wrong in seeing your friend with something and wanting the same thing, especially if your friend have expensive taste like my friend. Yes, there's nothing wrong with that. So don't let people fool you and tell you, oh, if you see your friend with something, you're not supposed to want it. Yes, you're supposed to want it, and you're supposed to want something better than that also, because there's nothing wrong with that, is like your friend motivating you to be a better person, a better version of yourself. So I don't see nothing wrong with that. So anyway, guys, big up on yourself. Happy Saturday. Have a blessed weekend. Yes, in everything you do, remember to put God first, and just put him first in everything you do, and just wait to see the result and see what will work out for you. And remember, God is love. So after I make Felix breakfast, I decided I'm going to make something for myself. So here I have a Johnny cake, some fried eggs, and some fried plantain. Yeah. And this is what I'm going to have for my breakfast this morning. Just like that. See that? Yes. Happy meal. So good.
So, do it. You can, mommy, you can only touch the numbers.
Don't touch nothing.
Don't touch the number.
We made it in time.
They're closing.
Yay!
And we got our bowl.
Where's the bowl?
So now we're on our way to drop Kisara dance class.
Mommy.
What kind of cheese you want? Making tacos. So Kisara just breaking down the ground beef and the onion and the garlic, like so, like that. And some taco season. Show them the season, you see. We're using this one today, some taco season. We already put some garlic powder in it already. Forgot to show that, you see. And you put some complete season also. Look at complete season there. We're adding in our complete seasoning inside the pot. And she's breaking it down. She's mixing it up. Yeah. We're going to eat tacos and watch movies.
So now guys, we're toasting up the tortilla for the movie night. And that's how we roll it tonight.
Slicing up some avocado. We're not going to make no guacamole this afternoon. We're just doing something simple and nice. We have some mozzarella cheese. We have some salad there. Some tomato. Some red onion in some vinegar. And some refried beans. So I just put it down like so. Like that. I get my ground beef and I place it like so. I get a little bit of salad. You can put the salad on top or on bottom, whichever way you like it. I got some tomato here. I'm gonna cut up good like so. My avocado. love avocado. And some red onion. And that's it. That's how it rolled this afternoon. So we're just going to add a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top, and that's it.
Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you like it. Right now we're gonna go and watch some movies and chillax. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that post notifications for all our newest videos. Bye guys, remember God is love. We can watch
Baby Badini. Baby Badini. Baby Badini.
Real Housewives of Bells or something.
I was right. Baby Badini.
So good.
That's
So now we're going to watch some movies.
Baby Badini.
Mm. It's messy, but it's so good. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Oh, you wanna watch
So now we're on Netflix looking for
a movie?
movie.
Yay! Movie time!
Let's get into it. Get into it. Get into this delicious sandwich. Okay, so we're ironing some clothes to go to church. Since last year, I went in the States and I buy this skirt in H&M. Adi, big up yourself. And since I buy this skirt in H&M, first I'm going to wear it, and it's today. And my blouse from Old Navy since last year. First I'm going to wear my blouse from Old Navy. So we're doing that today. And I think this I buy in Macy for Kisara, Cooper K. And then Phillips Rain is Tammy shirt and a blue pants that I buy in Children Place. So yesterday, Sunday, we're going to church. We're running a little bit late today, and I don't like to be late. So let's see how fast I can get out of this house. I should have done this from since yesterday, but yesterday was the kids' evening with me. So I'm just doing it this morning. Okay guys, so I'm doing laundry also at the same time. Almost ready. I wonder if this blouse can really go church, but I'm going to just close it up, so you know, like so, and go to church. So we're there, getting ready. So I'm just going to take my vitamin. It almost finished. You see it? Look, couple more left inside it. So I'm just going to take my vitamin. And listen, my friend Addie gave me a cologne when I was in the state. When I go into Jamaica, I take the cologne and I put it inside the car. And I cannot find the cologne inside the Jeep. When I come back from Jamaica, cologne nowhere to be found. Hold on, kiss me, and I want oil. The cologne nowhere to be found. I don't know who go inside my Jeep, who my child father bring inside my Jeep, and they take my cologne. Where the cologne name, Kissy? And it's one of the latest one because I see it all over social media. So now I have a next one that she gifted me because she always gifted me cologne. So I'm going to read this one. I almost finished Addie. Addie, I need cologne. So spray some cologne. Kissy said to spray there at my hands so people, what is that? And my neck back. This girl is something else. So I guess anybody was done behind me today going to smell how sweet me be. Anyway, we're running late, so let me go finish to oil up my body. And yeah, come on. We're on our way to church. What's up, guys? What's up? It's another beautiful Sunday, and I'm up and I'm alive, and we're on our way to church this Sunday, this beautiful Sunday. No rain falling, nothing don't happen. So, and we have life, so it's a beautiful Sunday. So Sunday dinner is served. So here we have some broccoli, some jasmine rice, and some curry chicken. This afternoon, it's an easy dish for me. I was not in the mood of cooking. So I just do something fast, and this is it.